Kikubor ka Pasyih TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Menteri Rangba jong ke Sorkar Jelna Conrad Kongkel Sangma ha ka arpu kendai trik ukela lengkot arjar arpuwei ula pli pajba ya Mawnongrim ne ka benta ban pentreno ya ke Surok ka bapenyeso na ka Shnong Pasyih sa Garrampani harengkat ka jing sakhilang jong usembut Menteri Rangba uba preston tensong bat kiwei de ki Menteri Sorkar. Ka Surok Pasyih Garrampani kadai ka waini ki Surok ba hapo kani ka jella ka bapenyesno nadu ka Shnong Pramer jong ka Surok Rata Chera Road National Highway 6 bat ka bakut shado ka Shnong Saphai ka badan hajan ka Khaput jong ka jella Meghalaya bat ka Assam ka jingjrong jong kani ka Surok kalong 10 kilometer bat ka benta jong kani ka Surok nadu arpuwai kilometer hado 10 kilometer lamang lengba ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project ya ka balabay pisa da ka World Bank. Ya kani ka Surok la pentray da uba Rocky Dhar ubalami khmat ya ka JV Dhar Construction Company ha ka jinglut ka balakot hado hinrupu ar point sapu kundai klor tingka bat ya ka balabu thong ban Shna pendep hapo sapu ar banai AA.
Various schemes from central government, various schemes from PMGSY, various schemes from externally aided projects have come in. And we are seeing a transformation when it comes to the road sector. And as I mentioned, he has ensured that these road projects are not just in one particular region, but the entire state is covered with these projects. Similarly, in other departments also, the same kind of approach is being adopted. I'm also happy to tell you that once the road projects are done, they form the backbone of economic development for our state. When the roads are good, other forms of economic development, economic activity and prosperity comes to that region. I know that this region is very rich in agriculture products. This area is also very rich when it comes to tourism. And I'm sure the development of this particular road and many more that are taking place right now and many more to come in the future, there will be a huge boost to tourism and agriculture. Because friends, we must realize that as we move forward as a state, we have completed 50 years, or we are going to complete 50 years in the next 1 year as a state. It is important that we as leaders should also think of the next 50 years, what is going to happen to our state. And maybe in the next 50 years to come, we may not have the kind of mineral resources that are there in our state after 50 years, 100 years. And when that kind of situation comes up, as a state and as a people, we must be prepared to find parallel economic activities for economic growth of our state. And therefore, agriculture and tourism are going to be very, very crucial for the future economic activity for our state. I was in the morning speaking to some investors who are very, very keen on investing in biotechnology. Today, we can see that people from all over the world are coming here to buy the Lakadong turmeric. And it is not because they want turmeric, but it is because the ingredients that are there in the turmeric, which can be of high value to the pharmaceutical industry, is the reason for the high demand for products like the Lakadong turmeric, which has over 7-8% of curcumin content in it. So therefore, it will be the endeavor of this government to ensure that the value of these ingredients that are there in different products like the Lakadong turmeric can fetch the value and the returns come to our people. Rather than our products going outside and those same oils being extracted by other companies in other parts of this country, why can't we have our own extraction units out here? Why can we not have our pharmaceutical industry come about here? Why cannot we have biotechnology research taking place in our own state, in this area, in this region? And maybe when we start doing that, Meghalaya could become a superpower when it comes to biotechnology, simply because we have the raw materials, we have the agriculture products that have got the ingredients that these biotechnology companies want.